Welcome back. Government will not hand over the land adjacent to the Dabolim airport to the Airport Authority of India till they clearly communicate the plan for the land. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar cleared this and said that he has not received any such detailed plan. Airport Authority of India is showing parking, cargo and other facilities on the same land. CM says this is not done.
I have told them time and again that how they are going to use the land and which land for what purpose. Ajay maka mache drawing diya. What will be where, location, how much, and what is the fund approved. कळव का ताज्यानंतर ताजे गरजेप्रमाणे ज्यो कितें गरज आहा पळय ती पूर्ण केली वतली बिकॉज दे आर शोईंग इन वन पर्टिक्युलर प्लेस फॉर एग्जांपल पार्किंग स्ट्रोक फ्युएल फार्म स्ट्रोक हें कितें तिसरें 3 गजाली एकाच जाग्यार दाखयता 3 गजाली एका जाग्यार आहा हय हें कार्गो हांव दिवपाक तांकां ऑब्रिगाद ना आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव एनीथिंग फॉर कार्गो आय एम सॉरी आय विल गिव फॉर पॅसेंजर पर्पज.
In a lethal accident, a lady died on the spot at Kurchode on Monday. A 38-year-old woman died as she got crushed under a truck. The driver of the truck has been arrested. Kurchode police are investigating the case.
The incident occurred at around 12 noon on Monday. A truck hit a woman on railway bridge at Kurchode. The body of Geeta Achari, aged 38, got crushed under the wheels of truck. She died while 108 was shifting her to the hospital. The truck was plying from Savode to Kurchore. The truck driver Samir Naik from Savode has been arrested by the Kurchore police. Kurchore police have registered an offence against Samir under section 279 and 304A. Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Madgaon Municipal Council is planning for an extension of wards in the jurisdiction of Madgaon Council. Chief Officer of Madgaon, Deepali Naik, says that the council faces problems while allotting funds to each ward. The extension would be carried out considering population of each ward. Special meeting of the council was held on Monday.
Municipal Employees Union's term काबार आमी जे एग्रीमेंट केल्ले ताजो टर्म काबार जालो 30 जूनाक आनी मागीर आमकां इमिजिएटली तांचे दुसरे एग्रीमेंट करपा जाय आशिल्ले आनी तांचे डिमांड्स तांणी घातिल्ले म्हणून आमी स्पेशल मिटींग आपयली आनी आतां स्पेशल मिटींग घेतले म्हणटकच ताका आनी एक अजेंडा घालून आमी येतलीच न्ही म्हणून आमी मागीर त्या पयर घेतिल्ले मिटींगेचे रिजोल्यूशन कन्फर्म करपाचे ते बी आमी हो एजेंडा घातिल्लो आनी एक 2-3 मॅटर्स आमचे व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आशिल्ले थोडे तेय घातले आमी तातूंत आमकां हांगा एक्सटेंशन ऑफ वॉर्ड्स आनी एज पर पॉप्युलेशन आनी थंय अनइवन डिस्ट्रिब्युशन ऑफ हे आनी वॉर्ड्स अशे आसात तांचेय आमकां रिजोल्यूशन एक घेवन आमकां प्रपोजल धाडा म्हणून सांगिल्लें म्हणून तेंय रिजॉल्व केलें आमी आज आमचें रिजोल्यूशन नाशिल्लें न्ही वॉर्ड एक्सटेंशन अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉप्युलेशन करपाचें एक वॉर्डान 7,500 पॉप्युलेशन जालां आनी एक वॉर्डान 2,500 जालां आनी आमी कितें करता दिता आसतना वॉर्ड वायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशन ऑफ वर्क दिता आनी अमावंट तितलीच दिता मागीर जो वॉर्ड व्हडलो म्हणजे पॉप्युलेटेड आसा ताका थंय तुटपुंजी जाता म्हणजे ताका पावत ना ते पयशे आनी जे वॉर्डान 2,500 लोक आसा त्या वॉर्डान आमी एक्स्ट्रा दिले काय अशें आमकां डावट मारता कळ्ळें न्ही सो वी वॉन्टेड टू बी इवनली डिस्ट्रिब्युटेड this will be taken up only on the prior approval.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.